Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaki Educational channel. So this is the time to reveal the results for the quiz contest which was conducted on 23rd of November 2020. Yes, this Enviro quiz is conducted every week on Monday on this platform to know something about environmental science and prepare ourselves for the environmental science entrance examinations. So those who are new, you can check these rules by pausing the video. And yes, you can be our top performer of the month by participating in the quiz and giving the maximum correct answers. So without wasting much time, let's discuss the questions first. The first question was, which among the following is the world's largest mangrove forest? And here the correct option will be option number A. Sundarban Reserve Forest is the world's largest mangrove forest, which is the delta region formed by the confluence of river Ganga, river Brahmaputra and Meghna river in the Bay of Bengal. So it has the area of about 140,000 hectares, and the Pichavaram mangrove forest located in Tamil Nadu is the world's second largest mangrove forest. The second question was, the various varieties of rice are found in India. So this existence of different varieties of rice is an example of what kind of diversity. And here the correct option will be option number B. It shows the genetic diversity. Yes, the genetic diversity is related to the number of genes and their alleles found in organism, whereas the species diversity is related to the number and distribution of species found in an area. Let's move to the next question. The third question was, consider the following statements about the NGCP, that is the National Green Corridor Program, and we have to identify the correct statements. And here the correct option will be option number B, 2 only. Yes, that NGCP National Green Corridor Program aims to facilitate the flow of renewable energy into the national grid, and it is implemented by the PGCIL. But here it was given not implemented, so it will not be the correct option. The fourth question was related to the mulching technique in the farming practice, and we had to identify the important role of mulching. And here the correct option will be option number D, only 2, 3, 4 and 5, that is improvement of soil structure, soil fertility increase, moisture conservation and control of pest is the function of mulching, but it doesn't help in seed germination. Let's move to the next question. The fifth question was, which of the following are the harmful effects of carbon monoxide exposure? And here the correct option will be option number C, both 1 and 2, because shortness of breath and unconsciousness are caused by the harmful effects of carbon monoxide. As you can see in this picture, when carbon monoxide binds with the hemoglobin present in the blood, it forms carboxyhemoglobin, which prevents the blood to carry the oxygen in our body. The sixth question was very simple. So the question was, automobiles do not release which of the following pollutants? And here a layman can answer this, because the correct option will be option number C. The automobile does not release radioactive pollutants, but they release sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide and hydrocarbons. Time for the next question. The seventh question was, rhododendrons are found in which of the following forests? And here the correct option will be option number B. Rhododendrons are found in the montane wet temperate forests. So these rhododendrons is a genus of 1024 species of woody plants. So they are in the heath family, either evergreen or deciduous in nature, and they are mainly found in Asia. The eighth question was, which of the following statements is correct regarding the grassland ecosystem? And here the correct option will be option number A, only 1. Yes, in grassland ecosystem the rainfall is about 25 to 75 cm per year, and in India they are found mainly in the high Himalayas, and these grasslands are the lands where the grass is the dominant plant life. So they are not found in the Deccan Plateau. The ninth question was, the concept of sustainable development was described by which of the following? And here the correct option will be option number C. The concept of sustainable development was described in the Brundtland Commission report in the year 1987. So it is very important, you should note it down. The final question was, Neknampur Lake, which is the largest floating treatment wetland in the country, is situated in which of the following place? And here the correct option will be option number A. It is situated in Hyderabad. So the plants planted on the floating treatment wetland can clean the lake by absorbing the nitrates and other pollutants in the water. So you have to tell me the name of those plants in the comment section. And many students were confused between the Loktak lake, which is situated in Manipur. So it is the largest freshwater lake in Northeast India, which is famous for this kind of structure known as fundis. So now it's time to reveal the name of the winner, and the winner is Nisar Ahmed. So congratulations to Nisar Ahmed for securing 9 out of 10 marks, and Khadija Samreen has also secured 9 out of 10 marks. Other participants were Mati Falguni Mohanty, Anwar Bande Hema Sahu, Walid Ahmed Priyanka Soren, Nishi Kumari Ansul Tiwari, Nematullah Nazri Biswa, and Shashank Sharma. Well done guys, and congratulations to each one of you. You all are the reason because of which this quiz is running successfully. So try to compete with your own self and keep it up. And those who haven't joined our Telegram and Instagram group, you can join there because there also we are conducting regular quizzes for the environmental science preparation. So if you like this, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed till now.